In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on Final Cut Pro X application. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, if I go ahead and open up Final Cut Pro, you'll see what the font size is currently set to. So what I'm going to do is just log in here. And then, here we go here. If I click out of this, I'm going to click on Allow. Alright, as you can see, my font size has been set to this automatically. So to increase my font size, what I need to do is go back and click into the settings app on my device. From here, navigate lower and click into display. And once we're inside display, I'm going to scroll down and click onto font size and style. And at the bottom of the page of font size and style, you will notice a slider. If I move this slider to the right, it's going to increase the font size. And likewise, if I move this slider to the left, it's going to decrease the font size. So have a play around with this slider. I'm going to keep it near the right hand side to increase the font size. And now from here, just simply go back to final. And you can see the font size has been changed accordingly.